Trying to decide whether Revo Uninstaller Free is enough or if you should upgrade to Pro? Both help you remove unwanted programs, but only one gives you full cleanup power. So let's break it down. Revo Uninstaller helps you remove apps from your Windows computer, especially stubborn ones that don't uninstall cleanly. The free version handles basic uninstalls and leftover scans, which is great if you just want to keep space cleared and your system tidy. It's easy to use, just pick the program you want gone and let it scan. The Pro version takes things further. You get advanced scanning modes, deeper registry cleanup, and features like forced uninstall. Super useful for apps that don't show up normally or leave stubborn traces. Revo Pro also includes bonus tools like a backup manager, evidence remover, and detailed logs, which can help if you're serious about maintaining your PC. In terms of performance, both versions are fast and light. Pro scans take a bit longer because they dig deeper, but that extra cleanup can save you headaches later. Pricing is one of the biggest differences. The free version is free, of course. Pro comes with a subscription or one-time purchase, depending on what you choose. If you need the advanced tools regularly, that cost can be worth it, but if not, free might be all you need. So which one is better? If you just want solid uninstalls and basic leftover cleanup, Revo Uninstaller Free does the job well. But if you want deeper cleaning, forced uninstall, and extra system tools, the Pro version is worth the upgrade. Your choice comes down to how often you clean up your system and how deep you want to go. Pick the version that fits your needs and keep your PC running smoothly. Thanks for watching.